Want to visit the North Pole? Grab your jacket because Santa Claus is here in town, a town entirely frozen over.
Looking at some of these sculptures, you're like, is that really ice? And yeah, everything in here is made out of ice.
Families slide their way through a winter wonderland with temperatures kept at just 9 degrees. It took over 2 million pounds of ice and approximately 30 days to create this winter wonderland, including this slide. One of their most popular attractions. Santa has his reindeer and sleigh, but for others, getting to the North Pole may take a little longer.
We traveled from Finksburg, Maryland, so we came about an hour and 20 minutes.
35 artists from Harbin, China worked with blocks of ice, each weighing more than 400 pounds, to make it a worthwhile trip for visitors.
It's very cold, but it's amazing. It's overwhelming when you first walk in, but the detail is amazing.
Here at the Frostbite Station, artists are continuing to create new parts of the icy landscape.
It is like a living museum of ice, like a sculpture garden that you would go through or anything like that.
A chance to see Santa, no matter if you're naughty or you're nice. At National Harbor, Lena Salzbank, CNS TV.